You hit send on your GSoC 2026 proposal, but missing the deadline can cost you the chance to code with mentors worldwide. If you're 18 to 30 and serious about open source, this fast track guide will get you ready for GSoC 2026. Eligibility requires you to be at least 18 years old when the program starts and enrolled in an accredited school. Contrary to myth, you don't need to be a prodigy to apply. Anyone with dedication can succeed. Organizations submit their project ideas in January and February, marking the first round of the timeline. Student applications open in March and close in April, so set a reminder and apply early. Accepted students are announced in May, unveiling the next cohort of GSoC participants. Community bonding begins in June, giving you time to meet mentors and understand the code base. Coding runs through the summer, and final submissions are due by August or September, making deadlines critical. Step 1 is to choose the right organization early by reviewing its activities, tech stack, and mentor fit. Step 2 is to contribute before applying. Submit small pull requests, fix documentation, and solve easy issues. Step 3 is to craft a structured proposal with a hook, why you, what you'll build, and a week-by-week timeline. Step 4 is to stay active while waiting. Chat on Slack or Discord, keep contributing, and show commitment. Missing any of these steps can cause your proposal to disappear, while a complete checklist puts you miles ahead. Like, subscribe, and check our playlist on getting selected for Hiring Challenge 2025 to keep your GSoC journey moving forward.